Okay, welcome back, guys. So as you can see, the installation has completed. So after maybe 2 or 3 restarts, this is the screen we'll get. So the first local user we will have is administrator. You cannot change the name here. So we'll just put a password here, and we'll click on finish. And as you can see, the installation is done. So we'll sign in Control Delete, because if we do it on the keyboard, it will detect on our host computer as well. The first thing we are going to do is install the VMware tools. And what is VMware tool is VMware tool. What it does is okay, so we get a pop-up here. Do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs and devices? We'll say no, since a test. So you can see it's a data center evaluation version just for 180 days. You can download it directly from Microsoft website. So what VMware tool does is install a lot of features on the virtual machine. It makes it very easy to manage. So right click and we'll click install VMware tools. Okay, and we can see that the system detects it right away. So we'll and we should get installation window in any couple of minutes. Yeah, we can see. Okay, we'll click next for this. Typical. Click next, install, and it might restart. So just something to keep in mind. It usually takes around a second or 5 seconds. Installing firmware as well. A little bit different right now. The resolution is in. I'll finish. I'll do a quick restart. And you can see everything looks very similar, almost exact same as it would look on physical installation. Nothing different here. And then Control Delete here. And you can see it looks different, easier to manage. Everything is under one screen. We don't have to scroll up and down to see some half of the screen. Okay, so this is with this video comes to an end on how to install Windows Server 2016 Data Center desktop experience as a virtual machine. So in the next video, we'll be going on the initial configuration for 2016 virtual machine. I'll probably be using the VM we have. We'll just pull down on top of that. I'll post a link on for the download of VMware Workstation and VirtualBox, whichever you want. Let's just look quickly at how much for VMware Workstation. Okay, let's get products here. Here. Maybe look. No, that's not it. There's workstation. Wow. There's the workstation in first shapes, maybe. Okay, there we go. You can see it is $249.99 US dollars plus tax. It will probably be $270, I think. You have three options here. You can upgrade to Workstation Pro or Player, version 12 or greater, and you can upgrade from Workstation 15.5 Player, or you can just buy it as a. You can have support time for 30 days, 1 year, or 3 years, and you can read about what the requirements are for the installation. But with this video comes to an end. Install your Windows Server 2016 Data Center desktop experience. Please check the next video, which I'll be installing in a couple of days. Thank you very much.